Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosini Philile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for joining me. Thank you so much ukuthi utune into this particular video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Sengathi ungasubscribe amangabe ungakasubscribe till namhlanje. Please do so. Ngoba ku free kumahala you guys ukusubscribe nokulike video nokucomment nazo zonke ezinye izinto. Nothing really happens when you subscribe, you like, you share konke you guys kumahala. Kanti ke nama advert mangabe ayadlala while you are still watching the video, so cela ukuthi ungawaskip ngoba nalokho kuyasiza kakhulu you guys. So kulolu daba you guys ngicela sikhulumene ngoba uDeputy President Paul Mashatile okuthiwa uye wawa lapha engaseTzaneen ube deliver speech lapha you guys kuthiwa ngase Manitwa Day celebrations into ikanjalo you guys ube seTzaneen ngase Limpopo. So lapho ma deliver speech ke kuyabonakala uba bekhulu manje lapha bese engathi uyawa. I think uzokuba dizzy bese engathi kuyabonakala nje ukuthi uye wawela phansi but basheshe bambamba something like that. Kuyabheda lapha you guys, I've seen him trending lapha ka Twitter trender bakhona bakhuluma ukuthi ayisemdala man lama ama leaders ANC madala bakhona bathi hayi guys kuyashisa ihit lapha eLimpopo kuyashisa mhlambe nje uyawazi ukushisa. Plus ezinye izinto esizigulayo singabantu you guys uzathola ukushisa ukuthi hayi umzimba ngempela uyashayeka nalokho mhlawumbe kodwa ke kuthiwa prior to his speech lapha you guys ubeke wakhuluma ukuthi ususpecta food poisoning ofisha angazi ukuthi leyo food poisoning uyisuspecta ethethebu kanjani you guys, whatever he consumed angazi you guys. Kune story lapha nje bakhuluma ngakho ukuthi Paul Mashatile suspected food poisoning a day before his collapse on stage you guys. Deputy President Paul Mashatile collapsed while giving a speech in Manitwa Tzaneen. Angazi kuthiwa Nwamitwa is Namitwa ngaseTzaneen you guys. Deputy President Paul Mashatile suspected that he suffered food poisoning a day before his collapse. Yona into ebhalela lapha nestory nesikazi moja by uKamukhelo Sibola, I think it's Sibola Olatin. Wasekhuluma lapha ukuthi Mashatile had to be attended by his medical team and later rushed to hospital for further medical care. Kune video ke lapha you guys ekababa njengoba ka deliver speech wabonakala ukuthi yawa bayifakile lapha on Friday before he delivered a keynote address at the Ronnie Muyepa inaugural annual lecture at the Tshwane University of Technology. Mashatile mentioned to the students akade ba address ukuthi he was sick a day earlier, that he suspected food poisoning. Thursday morning I was sick. I felt like food poisoning or something. My office was very worried as I came back home. Even in the plane, I did not eat. They were worried whether I would be able to come, so they were already setting up a virtual platform for him. We should be set like a virtual platform ukuthi mhlambe angayenza lo msebenzi through a virtual platform, something like that. Then I called them this morning and I said I was feeling much better. They said they were setting a virtual platform and I said I am feeling much better and I will go. So God is good all the time. Mashatile said ke kuma students lapho ade beshawutha nabo bheki bethi God is good all the time. Ubaba esekazizwa kangcono, so kuthiwa lapha he is recovering well after ke collapsile. Prior to collapsing on stage, Mashatile had said he was grateful to address the Vatsonga people as they celebrated and paid tribute. You guys kune scooter esidumayo somewhere somehow sihlele duze nemigwaqo nkosi yami nje kuduma yonke into usuthi uya recorda nje imoto neyikuta nako konke. Ngiyaxolisa for that you guys. So Mashatile has said he was grateful to address the Vatsonga people as they celebrated and paid tribute to Her Royal Highness Ukhoshi Dr. Nwamitwa, whom he describes as a trailblazer among the Vatsonga people and a beacon of female leadership in our country. Equally significant is that the 16th anniversary of Nwamitwa Day unites a vital aspects of our democratic society. Into ikanjalo lapha athi ngibone ngidlule kancane ngoba ngeke ngifunde lonke lo liyadaba ukukhulunywa ke speech sakhe. And then let me go to the Deputy President felt lightheaded from the heat and was attended to by his medical team. Ushuthi ke bayibasheshisa laphana bam attenda ke ubaba by medical team yakhe. Siyabona nje nono gada bakhe laphana be make sure ngesikhathi sewa ukuthi ubayambamba into ikanjalo. So kuthiwa laphana we can now confirm that the Deputy President has received all the necessary medical attention and he is well. So ke bakhuluma ngokuthi ayi ubaba ngathi use ngcono ke laphana emva kokuthi ke bamtholele usizo oluphuthumayo into ekanjalo. Leso uma kuyi food poisoning nayo nabazodila nakho you guys baba atholukelatshwa apholele makuyindaba ze heat guys ukuyashisa, and siyazi ihit esayidini lakho Limpopo ngapho usudonsa usiyezimu, siyazi ukuthi kuyashisa bafowethu, kushisa kakhulu. So yeah, mhlambe nalokho kuye kwaba nomthelela angazi. Labathi bekhuluma ukuthi hayi sekhulile lo baba mana ama leaders eNC yakhulile, ngiyacabanga ukuthi yebo bakhulile, kodwa lo yena akabonakala ngumuntu ogugile ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi sengamana hawe nje athi daca, you know. Mina yabona lelele hit nokuthi nje kuyashisa, ukwabona mawusha uze ukuthi umzimba uyashayeka, wesuvela uzigulele eminye imikhuhlane nje siyigulayo siyabantu, kusuke kuyathola ukushisa. Hayi guys, ungacollapse ngempela nje, ungacollapse you guys. Mhlambe naleyo food poisoning ke, we do not know, kuyahlangana sometimes you guys. So shemba ngithe ngathi ngaba ngcono ke ubaba uDeputy President uPaul Mashatile, since bethi he is well, kusho ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle, uyalunga ke. Let us hope ke akubi bad, uba ngcono nje, abe ngcono azabe right, something like that you guys. Kungumbono wami ke lokho hit ukushisa nazo zonke izinto, ngoba ngifuna ukungena kakhulu lapha ku food poisoning. Kuthiwe uye othe he suspected food poisoning, singazi ukuthi kuhambana ngale food poisoning, edleni kanjani kuphi. So mina ngibona ngathi ihit umshiso nazo zonke izinto, nakunye sikugulayo Nkosi yami, leso sikhathi umile you deliver ispeech nakho konke, hayi cha kuningi. But anyways, kuthiwa ke usengcono, uyalulama. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uyibukeke le video, ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe nokulike nokushare ke, bese siyaphinda sibonana kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.